Using an Apple iPhone involves several best practices and precautions to ensure you get the most out of your device while maintaining its longevity and security. Here are some do's and don'ts for using your Apple iPhone. First, the do's. Keep your iPhone updated. Regularly update your iPhone to the latest iOS version to benefit from new features, security patches, and bug fixes. Use strong passwords and biometric security. Set a strong passcode and use Face ID or Touch ID to enhance security. Back up your data. Regularly back up your iPhone using iCloud or iTunes to prevent data loss. Manage your battery health. Enable optimized battery charging and avoid extreme temperatures to prolong battery life. Organize apps and files. Use folders in the app library to keep your home screen organized. Regularly delete unused apps and files. Utilize built-in apps and features. Take advantage of Apple's built-in apps like Notes, Reminders, and Health to stay organized and track your well-being. Secure your Apple ID. Use two-factor authentication for your Apple ID to add an extra layer of security. Clean your iPhone regularly. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to clean your iPhone. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials. Explore accessibility features. Utilize features like VoiceOver, Magnifier, and Assistive Touch if you need them. Use cases and screen protectors. Protect your iPhone from physical damage with a sturdy case and screen protector. Now the don'ts. Don't jailbreak your iPhone. Jailbreaking can void your warranty, compromise security, and lead to instability or malfunctioning apps. Don't ignore app permissions. Be cautious about granting apps access to sensitive information or features unless necessary. Avoid using unofficial chargers and accessories. Use Apple certified or MFI certified chargers and accessories to avoid damage to your device. Don't expose your iPhone to extreme temperatures. Avoid leaving your iPhone in very hot or cold environments, which can damage the battery and other components. Don't overcharge your battery. Although modern iPhones are designed to handle overnight charging, it's best to unplug once fully charged if possible. Don't download apps from untrusted sources. Only download apps from the App Store to avoid malware and other security risks. Don't use alcohol or harsh chemicals for cleaning. These substances can damage the oleophobic coating on the screen and other surfaces. Don't ignore storage limits. Keep an eye on your storage space and manage it efficiently to ensure smooth performance. Don't forget to log out of accounts. When selling or giving away your iPhone, make sure to log out of all accounts and perform a factory reset. Don't use public Wi-Fi without protection. Use a VPN when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks to protect your data from potential threats. By following these do's and don'ts, you can maximize the performance, security, and lifespan of your iPhone. Keep it safe, keep it smart. Thanks for watching.